Hello besties, and welcome to another episode of Brandy Unboxed. Today I have something a little different to show you. It's not what I've been typically showing you, which is machinery. I met this company at the National Hardware Show in Vegas several months ago. Me and a few friends went there and were approaching the brands as like potential partnerships. A lot of these brands had never worked with influencers before to show off their product, so it was an interesting experience. And this brand actually has never worked with an influencer before, but they are taking a chance on me. When I met this brand, I was instantly drawn and connected to it. Now, if you know me, you know I love organization. I need everything to have its place. I can't actually function if everything is not in its designated spot. I clean the workshop up every day. I'm kind of obsessive about it almost. I've been in my warehouse actually 3 months now, and I haven't even done that much work. I'm fulfilling orders and stuff, but I'm not like being a workhorse. I am actually just obsessing over the organization, and my goal is to have everything just really dialed in so I can just streamline everything, and the flow is good, and I want maximum efficiency. So I feel like just taking these few months and really thinking about everything, being really intentional, is going to pay off in the long run, even though it's kind of killing me right now that I am not just jumping into it on all these projects I want to work on. I feel like having the shop dialed in is what I'm really passionate about right now. So when I saw this brand, I was like, yes, I know we can work together. This is an awesome collaboration. And it is a small family-run business. They from Minnesota, and half my family lives in Minnesota. That's why I say bag. My mom's, that's the way my mom says it. And I've always just said my AGs like that, wagon, bag, dragon. And I used to get made fun of it, but that's just how it comes naturally. That's just how I say it, like my mom. So yeah, some people will be like, why do you have that accent? And I guess I have a little bit of my mom's accent. So that's just a little about the company. But the company is called Wrap-It, and let's see what they sent. Okay, and honestly, another reason I wanted to work with them was because a lot of their products are so colorful. I was just like, ooh, rainbows, and I instantly just went to their booth. Everything kind of has these color coordinated things. Yeah, so I'm like a moth to a light when it comes to rainbow items. They have so many products. Really love the graphic design of their products and the functionality and the organization. It just, ooh, it makes me so excited. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so first we have some cable labels. These ones are different sizes, and you can actually write on these, and they're color coordinated. Check out some examples of that on the back. These are like rubber bands, silicone bands to keep either your cords or your pencils organized. They're stretchy. You could probably wear these as hair ties. Organized. Next, some cable ties. Like, nothing makes me crazier than just cords everywhere. And if I can keep them nice and tight and color coordinated, even better. These are just kind of different versions of keeping either cords or hoses organized. These ones would probably be better for something thicker. These are really cool. They're already perforated. You don't need scissors, so you can just rip off as much as you need and tie it around cables or cords. This, you can run your cords underneath for your desk, and more kind of cable guides for your like USB cables, your phone chargers, and these you can stick on the desk and then just have the charging part up top. Industrial strength stick 'em roll. So it looks like it has this really sticky adhesive on the back, and they're both kind of Velcros, so you can put one on your power strip, the other, and then put it on a table or something. I'm sure I'm gonna be finding many creative uses for this. Ooh, okay, this one's cool. This one is stretchy. They're different sizes, so you can use it for your shop vac cord, your yoga mat, extension cords, hoses. Yeah, so this pack just comes with different sizes. Okay, just more organization, but a different variation. This one comes with a handle, so you can, if you're carrying it around, or you can hang it, so tie your hose up and then find a place for it to hang it and keep it there. These are like the other straps that were stretchy, but these are not stretchy, and then they have a whole grommet for easy storing on top. Okay, this one, they all are like, have so slight variations, but so functional. Like, I love how thought out about all this is. They're like, how can we make this a little better? What is the niche? What if they need to store it this way? What if they need to store it this way? They thought of everything. So this one is really cool because it has two straps. So you can strap your shop vac hose together and then connect it to your shop vac with the other Velcro on top. More cord cable wrappets, and this has different size with the little grommet. These are their hook and hangs, so you can wrap your bike up, hang it in the garage. So if you want to get anything up off the floor, ladder, and it's going to have that 360-degree spin. These are going to come in so handy. I'm just looking around like, who gets these? Oh, and another little smaller one. Okay, we have 3 that should cover our bases. They also have packs of every size, and they all do different things, of course. This one's just has a hook, a little bag inside, and 2 Velcro straps. In this example, they have like a laptop charger. Okay, this was something I saw and I said, I need that immediately. Does anyone else just have all their like brooms and Swiffers, all your cleaning tools or your garden tools, are they just laying around? This is the solution. And it has hooks on it too. So I was like, I'm gonna need 2 of those. I might actually have to order some for my house too. And then this one is extremely special to me. This is the Wrap-It. Oh my God. So, do you know those wristbands from like the 90s that snap? This is a magnetic bracelet to hold screws. If you need to like go up on a ladder and you need screws handy, you can just be wearing these. And I say this is special to me because this is like the first piece of jewelry my boyfriend bought for me. We make a joke about it. Oh, and it has like a little pocket in it too. It's like a breathable fabric. And this is just super satisfying. That's all. I just wanted to show you guys all that. I may do another video of how I use these products around the shop. Definitely going to be posting it on my Instagram. I'll try to post it on Shorts as well, so stay tuned for that.